Good day. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we received the latest smartwatch from ITEL, the ITEL Smartwatch Fit O20. And on this video, we are going to have the unboxing review of this new wearable from ITEL, the Smartwatch Fit O20. We will check the design, the specifications, as well as the UI. So if you are interested in getting this smartwatch, if you are planning to buy this, watch this video first so that you will know the design and other details about this new smartwatch from ITEL. We'll have another video also for the menus and features. Again, watch this video, drop a comment below if you want to ask some questions. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's start and have the unboxing review of the Smartwatch Fit O20 from ITEL. As you can see here, we do have a simple but premium looking packaging. Okay, we have a seal of authenticity here. What does it say? Golden quality, 12 months warranty. Okay, we have some details here. AI powered watch face. I guess this is the main feature of this wearable. We have the display specs here, IP68. On the side, we do have some features. We have here the different colors for the wearable. We have the QR code for the support app, as well as the specifications. Okay, enjoy better life. I like the packaging here for the ITEL. If you don't, or if you are not using the smartwatch, you can just put it back here and put it on display on your table. Okay, simple but premium looking. Okay, next, let's remove the plastic here and check out the contents, the package contents of the ITEL Smartwatch Fit O20. Okay, I'll start here, the back. Okay, so we have the user manual, ISWO20. We have some instructions here. So it is using a magnetic pogo pin. We have the QR code. We have the warranty card. We have the charging cable, USB type A, magnetic pogo pin. And we have the smartwatch with a strap attached. Okay. Again, the contents of our ITEL Smartwatch Fit O20. We have the smartwatch with the strap attached, charging cable, the warranty card, and the user manual. So these are the package contents for the ITEL O20, ITEL Fit O20. Okay, next, let's check out the design of the smartwatch as well as its dimension. Alright, so let's start with the design. So let's remove the protection here, plastic cover. So we have a unibody design here. Is it metal or plastic? Okay, I think it is a plastic body frame, but it is unibody, as you can see here. Nice. Okay, so we have a crown button here, magnetic charging, we have the sensor, we have the speaker here, and we have some details here about the wearable at the back. Okay, model ISW0 or O20, IP68 waterproof rating, ITEL. Okay, let's have a closer look. Again, we do have a crown button here. Let's check later on if it's rotary. Seems like it's a rotary button. We have the flexible silicone strap with a quick release pin. Sporty looking smartwatch with a glossy finish. It is a metal body, 2.5D. I think this is tempered glass, stainless steel buckle. Okay, for the dimension, let's check. Zero for the width here. It is around 41.1. Okay, or just 41. For the length, it is 48.8, and for the thickness, it is 11.2. Okay, so it is a medium-sized smartwatch for our ITEL Fit O20. For the weight, so let's check on the weight here with the strap attached. It is around 45.32. Without the strap, I think it is just less than 30 grams, or maybe 20 grams. (25.21 grams), very lightweight smartwatch without the strap. Even if the strap is attached, still it is just less than 50 grams. Okay, very easy to attach for the strap with its quick release pin. For the strap measurement, I guess this is 0.22, so 21.8. If you're going to measure the edge here, I think it is around 22. So this is 22 millimeter strap, I think. Let's remove it first. Let's make it sure. Okay, so it is okay, 22.0. Okay, see, 0.22 millimeter strap. Let's put it back. Okay, again. Okay, again, let's have a closer look at the design. This is your ITEL Smartwatch Fit O20. Let's turn it on and let's have the specifications. Okay, English. Skip. Okay, let's change the watch face. Okay, then for the specifications, we have it here. Model name ISW O20 2.04 TFT screen display, 240 by 284 pixel resolution, Bluetooth version 5.4. The battery capacity is 220 mAh, 2 hours of charging time, and it is IP68. It is using the iPulse application, available on Android and iOS. Okay, so here are the specifications. Next, let's check out the UI. So this one, it is rotary. You can change the watch face. You can also use this to access the main menu and scroll. On top, we have the settings for the wearable. On the bottom part, we have the notifications. On the left side, we have the menus also. And on the right side, we have the widgets, okay, or the cards. We only have 2 here. So that's it for our unboxing review of the ITEL Smartwatch Fit O20. Checking on the design, specs, and UI. If you have any questions regarding the wearable, drop a comment below. And again, like, share, and subscribe.